Look, Vato, you're on the internet.
Oh my god. Okay. We're gonna do a nice burnout. Puerto Rican style.
Oh shit.
No.
That should fucking move me forward, dude.
Just for the record, we are military and we're in army base. We don't supposed to do this.
Yeah, we're fucking, I'm gonna say the fucking army base, but there's lots of fucking trees and we're in the south.
And he's not Fort Hood.
Yeah, it's not Texas. Let's go, Vato, let's go, let's go, let's go! Oh!